Yes. Welcome to the first YouTube Miata video. We're going to take the door panel off and put a new manual window regulator in. This is Mr. Frank. I'm Mr. Ryan. This is a 1995 Miata. We're just going to start by taking out the speaker. Right. Take out the door. You got one screw here. Another one right there.
I took that one out already.
I got that one. And there's one
in there. Should have it in there.
Gotta slide this off. Well, that one's already out. Goes right there.
So that's that part.
This actually didn't come off like that though. Like it should be attached to the bottom.
It's all good, bro.
You know.
Oh. Got it?
Yep. We're supposed to take this thing off.
Yeah, but right here. It was already off though, so
yeah,
we gotta worry about it. But when we put it on, it'll be right there.
There's a little clip on it too.
Yeah, the only reason why we had the zip ties is because obviously this window regulator didn't work, so the window couldn't go down. But if you pushed it down, it would do it. Here as well. Alright, so for this one, we're gonna hit it with the 10. Oh no, bros, you gotta get the other ratchet. Oh yeah. Quick, because you don't want to keep.
Oh yeah, I wanted to keep it that way because then we have to get these screws out.
It's okay, bro.
Nice.
There's a couple down there.
Mandatory smoke break. Clouds.
Shoot.
So with your new regulator, you put this in at the bottom, facing this way. Little bolts right here to the bottom holes.
Well, actually,
So you want to get this in, you slide it in through this part right here.
and this
Fish it all the way up.
will sit right in here.
Yep.
So it's
That's fitted right there. So we took this little rail that goes down, starting from here. It's actually,
for this little window right here.
yep.
So the rail connects right here to this bolt and to the bolt down here. Makes it easier so that you don't have to try to force this in. So when you actually take those bolts out, you can actually manipulate this rail right here.
Yeah, that rail that he's holding onto right now.
Manipulate it and push it to the side so you can get the piece for the
Window lever.
roll. Yeah. So we got this part nice and bolted in, and the actual new regulator came with a little clip here. So we took the broken one out and we put the new one in with it. We already got the bolts here for
For the window regulator.
the rail, so we didn't have to actually take that one out there. Yeah. So all the bolts are already intact.
Lower the window.
You have to lower it.
Alright, so this thing right here is supposed to line up with the railing. Goes in like that.
You had to actually loosen up this bolt, and then the bolt that's at the bottom right here for this window rail, just so that you can make the adjustments, obviously, like, you know, like how we were saying. So you have to adjust it and then lower it and try to line up all the little spots that you have to get. So we're gonna actually do this one right here, being that it's already lined up as well, and then we're gonna adjust the window as we go. All right, so I got the bottom one in. I raised it up now. Now Ryan is actually doing the two bolts right here so that we can get that one in place.
We don't put it in super tight just in case we gotta make adjustments. Best not to tighten these down with the impact gun. Might break the window.
Yeah, definitely don't want to do that. But look, a lot nicer, bro.
Nice.
It's a little bit more stiffer now with the window in.
Yeah, it's probably rubbing somewhere.
See it?
We gotta put those little window stoppers. Frank's gonna tighten up that last bottom one, connecting the window to the window regulator. And then we're gonna put these little window stoppers.
Bottom window stopper in. And you raise it up. Oh, wrong way. other stopper is now. Now what's next, Mr. Ryan?
Now we just gotta tighten all these right now.
So now we put the door panels. As much as we can.
I just gotta.
Alright, it's right there.
Oh, is this one broken? Oh,
Did you get it in?
no, I shouldn't get it.
Yeah, I got it. 1 second. Oh, it came off the damn door thing.
Well, the screws will help us. I hope.
Yeah, well. But it's alright. It was a little project car for you.
Yes, it is. One day I'll have those teen coilovers.
For the Miata.